केस उडतच नाही त्यासाठी व्हिडिओ काढायचा
उडताय.
What's up you all, welcome back to your favorite channel at Cheese Expression. So today we're gonna do something really special. It is about trying the YouTube hack. Like there were a lot of hacks, photography hacks that we're gonna try today at home. So basically लॉकडाउन है जो कि अभी और बढ़ गया है, तो क्या करना है, लोगों के इंस्टाग्राम के पोस्ट बंद हो गए, लोग थ्रो बैक पिक्चर्स डाल रहे हैं, तो कुछ नया होना चाहिए कि नहीं. So that's what we are gonna try. We're gonna try YouTube के hacks and I'm just gonna review them कि कैसे चलता है, अच्छा हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है. I have no idea कि कितना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस होने वाला है. We're just gonna try those hacks. So let's see how do we get into this, like how do we go through this and get through this. So we're gonna try this thing, and without any further ado, let's get into the video quickly. Now let's go. So currently what we gonna do is I am gonna sit in front of the refrigerator now, and my brother is probably gonna click me, and I'm gonna show you how you click the pictures at your place using every other prop you have at home. So let's do that. So this is where our refrigerator is, and I am just gonna sit here and click few pictures, and my brother would probably open this door, get in, and then click my pictures for you. So let me show you how. The first picture was quite a lot struggle. I had to struggle a lot to click that picture, to get the perfect picture out of it. Although I was sitting in front of the refrigerator open, I was sweating like anything, if you can see from my face. So that was about the first click. I'm just putting the picture over here. You guys, tell me how do you find it. I'm fine with it though. And the next trick that I'm gonna use is I have this vessel with me which has this holes in it, and I'm just if you have sun rays like this coming inside your house, then it's well and good, but अभी मेरे यहाँ पे नहीं आ रहा है, so I am gonna use this vessel. इसके अंदर I'm gonna put flashlight, and then we're gonna put pictures. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'm waiting for it. Let's go and see how does that comes out or turns out. So let's do this now. Let's go. The jugaad that we have currently made is my bua standing with this and the flashlight, and my brother sitting here to click my picture. So now let's see how does that turns out. So let's do this. Okay, so we are done with the second photo shoot, which wasn't that difficult, but it was difficult for the people who were assisting, and yeah, it was my bua and my brother too. And these are the pictures. So पहले लोकेशन पे जहाँ पे मैंने वीडियो किया था वहाँ पे नहीं किया, बिकॉज वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट आ रही थी, तो नहीं पॉसिबल हो रहा था अच्छा फोटो आना. सो वी स्विच बैक टू द अदर रूम, एंड वहाँ पे वी स्विच ऑफ द लाइट, एंड दिस आर द पिक्चर्स. एंड जो पहले वाले निकाले थे वो यहाँ है, एंड जो नेक्स्ट वाले निकाले here. So take a look and try it at your place. So quick update, right now we both, my camera person and myself, are feeling a lot hungry, so we are getting a small break and have something, and then we'll get back to the shoot again. So let's do that. Yeah. So this is what we are having. This is corn ka thali peet. If you guys at all know, if you don't know, then please Google it. It's a thali pit corn ka, and healthy and yummy as well. So yeah. Okay, also you can have this with curd, and it tastes brilliant with curd, but right now we don't have curd, so I'm managing it with ketchup. You can have it with tea also. सबका जैसा जैसा preference है वैसे वैसे खाओ. I'm having it with ketchup. Okay, so we are done with the evening ka breakfast, and I'm like full right now, and I feel sleepy, and tired. Whole afternoon was behind the shoot thing because it's really difficult to, get that perfect picture though. But the tricks are quite a lot great, and you'll get to know that by the time you watch this video. And the second thing is that I just hope that I don't ruin this thing because I'm a lot tired, and if I do so, then probably I'll shoot this thing tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to do it today only. And now the next thing that we're gonna use is I am gonna like stand in front of the TV, wherein I'm just gonna put YouTube pe jaake. So my TV is smart TV, so probably I'm gonna connect my YouTube with the TV. So the next thing that we're gonna do is the illumination video. I'm just simply gonna put it on YouTube illumination video, and then I'm just gonna stand in front of the TV. We're gonna try this thing and then shoot. Now let's see how does the photos turn out to be. So let's do that. So currently this is how the setup looks. I have this illumination thing on my TV. I'm just gonna stand right here and click a picture so you get to see what exactly. And yes, पूरा अंधेरा कर दिया है मैंने घर पे. So that's what we are gonna do. So let's click a good picture. Let's do this. So these are my favorite shots out of all of them. I clicked and this trick really worked well. Tell me, how do you find these pictures, guys? So now what we're gonna do is I have chopped this tomatoes into 2 pieces, and now I have inserted toothpicks on both the sides like this, and my mama is gonna hold it like this, and I'm just gonna put in my I'm gonna do an action of chopping it or slicing it off, and we are gonna click a picture. My brother is gonna click a picture. After so many trials, I'm done with the shot that I described you. I'm putting it here for you guys to see. I hope you like it. Try it, but it's a bit difficult and has a lot of trick to it. So yeah, try it at your place and do it. That's it. Now let's move ahead for the second final trick. Okay, so final thing that I'm gonna shoot. Okay, my hair looks very bad. I'm like looking literally bad right now because I'm so tired since whole day I'm shooting for this thing, and I have to shoot something else also now because it's my friend's birthday and we are making some kind of video. I'm not putting it on YouTube, it's gonna be on my personal WhatsApp and stuff. So that's it. And now the last thing hack that I have is this thing. This is the hair dryer that I'm gonna use to click a good picture against a plain wall. You guys might have a plain wall or any kind of I don't know, wall at your home, so just use any kind of prop that you have. If not a dryer, use anything that you have, maybe a person to जो पुक से हवा मारे और बाल उड़े, so you can use that. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna try this thing hack and let's see how that works, and let's get into the video now. All about the hacks, guys. So I came across these hacks on YouTube, and I thought of trying them, and I think most of them worked. I'm not that satisfied, but yeah, I'm happy. So that's it, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I think you guys should try this thing at your place because lockdown hai, kya karna hai? So try this thing and upload new pictures on your gram, and if you would like to tag me, also tag me over there. So that's it, and do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel at Cheese Expression. I'm just fumbling because I'm so tired. So yeah, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel at Cheese Expression, and also follow me on Instagram at Cheese Expression. That's it for today, guys. I'll get back to you guys soon. Till then, bye bye, love you.